Good afternoon, sir. My name is K. Umasri. I am from MPPS Jangam Narayanpur Mandal. My TLM is on prepositions. This TLM can be used for 3rd, 4th, 5th class students in English. And by this TLM, student can easily understand how the preposition is used in our daily life. So this is a ball. By moving this ball, we can explain how the position of a preposition is nothing but it's a positional word which can tell us the position of an object, noun or pronoun with respect to other noun. This is a ball. Now where is the ball? The ball is on the bench. Now where is the ball? The ball is under the bench. Now where is the ball? The ball is moving upon the bench. While moving condition, we have to use upon. Now where is the ball? The ball is moving over the bench. Now where is the ball? The ball is between box and the bench. Now the ball is moving into the box. Now the ball is in the box. Then closed entity is there now, so we can use in. Now the ball is moving out of the box. Now the ball is below the box and the ball is above the box. Now the ball is moving towards the house. Now the ball is at the door. Now the ball is beside the house. The ball is moving around the house. Now the ball is moving from the house. The ball is moving in front of the house. The ball is moving along the lake. Cross across the lake and vadala. Now the ball is among the ducks. Here two objects is there. We can use between preposition. Here more than two objects we can use among. Now the ball is after the duck. The ball is before the duck. Like this we can use here one more object also we should take like dog. The dog is moving up to the stair. The ball is moving. The dog is moving down to the slider, and the ball is fell off the swing. Like this we can use prepositions. Now the ball is moving through the pipe, like this, and the ball is hitting against the tree, and the ball is beneath the tree. Like this we are using our prepositions in our daily life. This is the practice session for them. These are the words, preposition. After explaining this, we can practice by using this. Student can practice. The mouse is dash. Here by watching this picture, student can pick one word in or out. So here the mouse is in the cup. So pick and stick here in the house. Like this, they set all these prepositions. And one more thing is that in regular we can use A for apple, B for ball for primary school children. That is first, second class students. That is okay. For third, fourth, fifth, I used like this. EVS also added like some GK kind of questions. A for Abdul Kalam means the missile man of India. B for B.R. Ambedkar means the writer of our constitution. Like this we can cover all 26 GK questions and A to Z alphabets also. This can useful for a third, fourth, fifth class students. And this is for writing purpose. So sky letters means you have to use upper 3 lines only. Gross letters means middle line only we can write. For root letters means bottom of lines only we can use. For writing purpose this TLM is useful. Yes, thank you.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, షేర్ మరియు కామెంట్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.